What's up, everybody? I think I actually have everything up and running for a change, like on time. Weird. How's everybody doing? Oh no, why? Ta-da! Okay, after this morning's very frustrating session, let's see what happened. I think this morning is the most frustrated I have ever gotten on the charts. At least, you know, if we're going to be positive about something right now, at least I didn't then go and revenge trade. I'm trying to be really positive about that. I did stop myself from revenge trading, so winning itty bitty bit at a time. Okay, getting everything. Does not matter. Does not matter. Where is everybody at today? Sure. I'm here on time and nobody else is. Now, that's weird. That being said, it does give me the opportunity to now go and do this. Okie dokie. So let's now, I wanted to see here. Does it affect? Not so much. I mean, a little bit of a rejection off of it. I wanted to quickly see something, but I see it did not make much of a difference, so that's okay. So, let's mark out this low. Excuse me, sir. Thanks. And a London high is all the way up here at this TP toppy. Awesome. We now carry on. Okay, so midnight's over there, so I'm pretty keen for bulls now. I think New York's gonna be a little bit of a reversal. Let's go through everything. Let's turn this all off. Hey, Psychotai, what's up? How you doing? Okay, so first things first, let's go through everything. Lubba Dubba, what's up? How are you doing? How's it been going? How's the trading? Did Apex finally help you out? I heard something else about Apex again today. Someone else said, don't do it. And I was like, that's interesting. Obviously, I don't know anything about Apex. This is just like secondhand information, if you will. But that is what I got from that. So that was, yeah, interesting. 233 is the next rather big point of interest. Unless, guess 233 it is. Hey, Germsy Media, what's up, Kings to Learn? And what? Only know a couple of basics. Okay, well, what do you know? Let's maybe start with that. Oh yeah, pushing New York open would bring in the buyers, but maybe not. That's okay, Debbie. Let's see. But Lava Dava, whoop whoop, that is amazing. Huge shout out to Alabadaba getting approved for their payout. Super proud. You get some awesome whoop whoops just for you, Labadaba. Okay, Debbie. I'm in agreement though with regards to the buyers, but again, it's just what I suspect. Are suspicions always correct? No. So let's see. Bartek, what's up? How are you doing? Of course, Labadaba. This is a community of support. I am having the worst trading dip I've ever had. It's driving me crazy, which is also not good because then the emotions get involved, right? It's just to get through this dip. Hopefully my funded survives it, but leaning towards maybe not. If it doesn't, I just have to remind myself it's not the end of the world. On to the next. So speaking of on to the next, let's check the 4-hour candle. Oh, 4-hour chart. Doing our top to bottom analysis. Okay. I mean, there is still a bunch of unmitigated. I mean, these relative equal highs here at 25101 are mwah. Those are so yummy. If it wants to come up to get that, that would be awesome. Like, that is such a good point of interest for New York to head towards. Is it going to be able to move that high though? I'm not sure. Oh, I have a challenge for you. Okay, what's the challenge? What market am I trading? Well, New York, but Nasdaq futures to be specific. What's up? Not wondering what fair value gap means. Moving. Oh, okay, cool. Well, I can help you with the fair value gaps. Easy peasy. Moving averages, I'm getting better acquainted with, so I don't want to lie to you and mess that up. But fair value gaps, those are easy enough for me to respond to because I basically use them in my trading, so that's easy peasy. 1 hour, just give me a second and I will go through what a fair value gap is. They are everywhere. They are everywhere, but they're quite important key levels because a fair value gap basically shows an imbalance in the market. And the one thing you need to know is that the market always wants to be in balance. So if there's an imbalance, it wants to correct it. Can you say A with your mouth closed? What? Cash, you are welcome. Hello, please, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, micros to be specific. So the symbol is MNQ. Said a lot of imbalances up here. Let's see if it wants to head back up to this, yeah, 25101 level. I mean, I wondered. it's just demolished all of this. So also the next point of interest is 241. Okie dokie, let's see. It's just been consolidating this whole time. Let's check the 15-minute. Everyone thought the same for a moment. All stop talking at the same time. Well, anyways, it's one of the things. Anyways. A.k.a. supply demand equilibrium. Exactly. Huggies and next up, thank you. Trimsy. So I'll show you what it looks like on the chart as well. But it's basically like the easy definition of what a fair value gap is. It's an imbalance because here, like here's a very obvious one. So you know candle and wicks and things. Like the candle is the body, the main bit, and the wick is the little line above and on top. So if there's a gap between, oh good grief, what have I done? Okay. Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. There we go. Okay. There we go. We're gonna go to here. Sorry, chaos has joined. So do you see how there's a gap between the two wicks? That means that there was some mist. There was mist. There were gaps in the market that were not bought or sold at, so there was a big jump between, and that creates an imbalance, and that imbalance then wants to get corrected. Sorry, then I was doing that. So that's the 15 minute. 15 minute looks really chaotic. I'm so sick and tired of this. But it's okay. 15 minute, 5 minute quick sticks. Sure, this is wicking out a little bit right now, and back to the 1 minute. Let's get this going. Let's do this thing, chicken wing. Also, the fair value gap higher time frame ones hold more weight than the lower time frames. When the overlap 1 minute higher time frames are the best ones to take. Thank you, thank you. Bartolome? Hi, I'm so sorry if I butchered your name. Hi. Medina, where's my entry point? I'm not even looking for a setup or a trade right now. Just saying. Oh, good grief. Yeah. I'm not one of those cool kids that can trade market open directly. I wish. Maybe one day when I'm big and strong, but not right now. Hey, Lucky, what's up? How you doing? Missed orders or unfilled. Thank you. It's missed or unfilled orders. Thanks, Debbie. At least I got someone correcting me. Been a long. Oh my gosh. I'm doing exactly what OTT said. I was about to say it's been a long week. Tuesday. It's only Tuesday. How is it only Tuesday? Oh, thank you, Akari. You're very sweet. Fire slowly showing up. Okay, let me try. Jordy. Normally that works. Or someone invite me to come visit and I say yes and Jordy's just appears to be like, what is wrong with you, Maya? What is wrong with you? You don't do that. Spring is awesome vibes, so much hope. Ah, okay, you see it's not spring here, it's nearly autumn here, so... Oh, unlocks. Oh, this shirt does such weird and wonderful things. Anyways, it's fine. Oh, Lucky. Magic. That was so cool.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. Oh no. Bob, no. Bob just got stopped out of his trade. Yeah, and you, Maya. Thank you. I think. Yeah. Anyways, can you explain the market structure? Which part of market structure? TFMM. There's a lot. I didn't think it would work. It's an S. Yeah. Me and Jordy, we just got a connection. He's my brother. I just know. I know how to summon him. No, summon him sounds weird. That was pretty cool. I didn't expect that to work. And then there's Jordy. I was like... My brown beans have got me. I love it. Does anyone know what's happening? Imagine if it actually did. That would be so cool. Yeah, I told the telekinesis would work. Literally summoned him. I love it. Oh gosh, I absolutely love it. Well, I was gonna say something and now I forgot what I was gonna say. So that doesn't help now, does it? Must be your kind. You know, Bob said that to me again the other day. I was like, shoot, what did he say? It was so funny. Like, it was on a downtrend and now on a retracement. Oh, are you asking about the retracement? Are you asking... Yeah, are you asking with regards to retracement or... What pair is the screen right now? Not a pair. This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? For anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Hope everyone's doing amazing. Hope everyone's trading is doing just so much better than mine. Pair of socks. Yeah. Okay, here's 9:30. Are we ready?
Okay, let's go.
You know I have to do that every opening now, right? Just because of Yumi Kawabe. Oh, when does someone expect the retracement to end? Ooh, TFFM? It's... Everything is a bit of speculation, right? When it comes to the market, you can never be like, I know something's gonna happen. But I guess that is also why you said predict, right? I personally predict it's going to retrace at least back up to the... Where they at? Where'd they go? There we go. These equal highs up here at 102, 101 level. Because, oh my gosh, are they juicy. There is so much buy-side liquidity sitting there. It is insane. Absolutely insane. Okie dokie. But anyways, here we go. Here's our 930. Here's our 930 range, people. Tap into VWAP wisdom. My other Geordie was broke. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Smile for you. Did you get this? Did you get this? Jordy was Okay, let's see. So there's 930 range. Literally tapped into VWAP and here we go. I'm on the 1 minute TFFM. I'm currently on the 1 minute time frame. I apologize if I don't answer your questions like 100% or, you know, I am still... Well, every day I'm learning. Let's put it that way. Every day is another lesson. Every day I figure something else out. But yeah, I'm currently on the 1 minute. This is for Bob. Bob deserves a whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop for Bob. Nice, Bob. You turned that around very impressively, can I just say. Okay. So still no first presenter just yet. Hey, Blessed, what's up? How you doing? Welcome back. How goes it? How goes it? I don't know why I say how goes it, but anyways, how are you doing? I hope you're doing amazing. I should have told you to sell gold today. Why? What's gold doing? Lucky is gold just... Why would gold be selling? That's a bit confusing. Why is gold selling? Yeah, because gold is the fear asset, right? Everyone wants to go into that. Isn't there a lot of fear and uncertainty going on, like, right now? Wouldn't gold technically want to be freaking climbing? So that stumped me a little bit. Okay. Lucky, I will wait with a bated breath for your answer. Told you in the chat, remember, oil is up, yields are gonna I thought you were talking about Ali. No, I'm joking. Oil is up, yields are gonna tighten soon. True. Yes, this is strange. I'm looking into that now. Oh, yeah, okay. So was it just me that had that question? That, because, yeah, that That gobsmacked me. Maybe it's a weird thing to say, but anyways. Okay. So because oil is up, the yields are gonna that's it. That's it. Hey, trader in process, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? Okay. Here's literally the 5-minute. Here you go. We're gonna get a first presented here. We're doing a little bit of a liquidity sweep. Let's see. Solly, whoop whoop. Hey, whoop whoop for Solly. Whoop whoop for Solly. What did you get? That is amazing. Well done for anyone that is green for go. Super, super happy for you guys. Roshan, what's up? Yeah. Resting before work. Glad you're on Twitch too. Seen on YouTube already. Hey, heck yeah. Well, I'm still like yes. How you doing, trade in process? I'm good. Oh my gosh. So okay, here was the first presented. Wills just kind of then ran through it, but still first presented over there. Let's see if this comes back to retest it and then go back up. So I started the session off bullish. Let's see if we continue to the bull side. We're definitely going to go higher. We haven't tapped into VWAP on ES just yet. Decent wick just came to take out that. I mean, like I said, my freaking point of interest is all the way up there. Is it gonna hit that though? Let's find out. Aw, it's not A+. This is a B setup. B for bugger. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Well. Oh, well. Okay. This is just dropping all the way down. I mean, that looks better with regards to the first percentage, and there's a little bit of an order block over here. Well, this could be worse. Go back. Check the 15-minute now. Oh, it's just running. Thank you. Wait, I wasn't ready. Come back. Come back. Come back. Hey, John, what's up? So which country am I trading at? Ah, blessed. I'm South African. What's up? Gold was selling for my analysis. I saw the market create a gap and I knew that had to be filled. I don't know the fundamental reason truly, but right, that oil is up. I have a target of 652. Oh, but it's about to smash into your target. There we go. Wait, did you take the trade though, Lubba Dubba? Bob, that's literally what I'm thinking. All the way back up to midnight open, but I mean, this is now just... I won't be able to catch this. It's just run away. Literally. Okay, tapped into VWAP on ES. I ain't trading anything right now. Everything is weird. DJ, it's not that weird. Because certain refineries got hit by missile system. Stop. I mean, just I would just be like, oh, just stop driving places, but I mean, that's a whole lot easier said than done. the irritating thing is I still don't hate this setup. It feels very risky still. Unfortunately. Let's see, this could just completely disrespect. Cool. Created 2 inverse fair value gaps. Really? Going long at the close. Nice. This is where you switch to your Bob level account and start surfing level to level. I hear that. I hear that, Solly. Sure. I think that might actually just have to be the way to go right now. So this was the setup. Like I said, would I have even been able to... Let's see if I would have even been able to get an order in. Oh, I guess. Could have gotten 2 in. This volatility, well, feels very volatile. Oh yeah, I pulled at me. Parked at me and dusted off my bike. There we go. Hey, blessed. Yes, it is. This hits... I should have taken it, hit stop loss mine. I'm glad I set up. Yep. What's up, OTT? That's basically the mindset right now. Ooh, completely disrespected the volume imbalance on ES though. OTT, it's like I said, this is a B setup. It wasn't even an A+ setup, so I can't be upset about not taking it. Let's put it that way. Yeah, John, 100%. Beautiful retest of that Bob level, that's ridiculous. I'm just trying to, so Bob, the next thing I'm trying to figure out is the ES levels and the NQ levels. How do they work together, and do they really work together or not really? That's what I'm kind of watching now. Wow, I don't give a damn about this first presented. Hey, Joy of Travel, what's up? I also heard the biggest supplies of oil. As the less plan had more, the price might continue to increase. Yeah. South Africans. Is the oil going to become a problem here? Yes, no, maybe. Oh. Oh. So they're not the ones that I have here? Well, I guess you did them yesterday afternoon. That would have been my this morning. So, no. Ask why we take a counter trend when 15:30 in 1 hour is sell. Oh, Joy of Travel, sweet and simply. I like the bearish. I like the bullish bias. Back up to midnight open price. Thanks, Bob. That's it. Sweet and simply. But it is also why I always wait for confirmation on the day of which direction we're going to be headed towards. So far. Bob, when did we have this midnight open discussion? It was last week Thursday or last week Wednesday. Since that discussion, let's still wait. Let's still wait and see how this does. But since that discussion, every single New York Open has been going back to that midnight open price. So that was literally the best way for me to get my bias back to that midnight open, if it was going to reject off of it or not. But yeah, and midnight open is up here. So that's it, sweet and simply. My soft hands made me exit that drop too. No, Kevin, what happened? Carlos, what's up? The back tested. I know, Solly. I've already been. Well, I'm forward testing it right now. Back tested something. Okay, wait. There's nothing. Let me see if we got another one here. That one's actually pretty decent. See, not so nice, not so nice. Interesting. I'm still watching out for what I did back test anyways. Okay, so that would not have worked, so that's fine. Like I said, it was indeed still a B. This just feels like it's going bub 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 bub. Going completely against that. Guess I had 1, 2, 2. Another B setup. Maybe it works out, but it was still a B setup. Oh, this is just going sideways, isn't it? Green day for me regardless. Yay, Kevin, well done. Why are we stuttering in messages? Miners and metals are tanking right now. That's very interesting. Bob, loosen up those levels. We want to trend. Tell him. Come on, Bob. Tell him to stop respecting it so well. This is insane. This is actually insane. Seriously, on days like this, bob to bob. That is all I'm gonna say. Bob to bob. What's this? 1, 2, 3, back down 4. I found a hack to pass a funded account. DJ? Okay. I'm listening. I'm intrigued, I guess. I hope nobody in a trade right now. Yeah, flip. If this goes back up, I will be shooketh. I will absolutely be shooketh. Joy of travel. For bullish, it'll have to break 24640. I agree. To go to midnight. Let's see if it do indeed. Yes, is kind of trending down. Kind of. Yes, it's such a solid. Oh, it didn't even come back to the 50% of that. Damn. Okay. Is the hack discipline? Debbie, do you know what that deserves? That deserves this, because that was
nice.
I like that. I like that a lot. That was quick as well. And someone tell gold it doesn't need to sell any further, but I'm all for it if it does. Just quickly scalp on the micro silver charts mini, but they're allowed to trade into it. Each tick is like 10 or 20 or 30 dollars. I don't know, but yeah. If no, honestly, Solly, they just kind of went, shame. Did not respect it at all. Like, they didn't even pretend. Oh, interesting. Okay. Again, B setup, not even upset. Now on to... I want to say on to the next. Let's see. Let's see if this is just going to go sideways. Oh yeah, sorry. Or if this is going to start trending again. Certainly going to go up or down for a couple of minutes. Just trade on them. DJ, I love that. This is either going to go up or it's going to go down. Let's see. Welcome to DJ Campbell's. The new casino, they got the shiny lights up. No, Nightmare, what happened? Remember, the house always wins. Oh, this could potentially drop to low of day and even lower. Nope, got nothing good there either. Hey, oh my gosh, did it actually respect that first presented? Nope, never mind. Maybe not. Nope. Yes? What? Does it know what it's respecting right now? Not really. It's pretending to know what it's respecting. Short here to 453. Another B setup. Going back to retest. So, Labadaba, you take B setups as well? Why? Out of curiosity. Nice, Kevin. Whoop whoop, that is amazing. Big stop, though. Go sideways, select traders and then move later. Don't NQ even knows what it's doing. But we're all here waiting for it to make up its mind to be like, are we going sideways or are we going down? We're going up? Where we headed today? I mean, those are pretty decent wicks. I would say this is gonna keep going down. But then again, does it ever really listen to me that well? Just play them smaller size. Usually if a B setup fails, it proves the opposite is true for me, so I can flip directions and go heavier. Hey, Obito, what's up? How you doing? Labadaba, that's interesting. I'm gonna backtest this. Do you know how many of my B setups actually would have been wins? And then obviously, you know, didn't take them because they were B setups. So I'm gonna go and check. Awesome. Okay, then I'm gonna... I'll sort that out now. Let's just watch what happens here. Thank you. Have we decided? Kind of? Not really? Not really. I'm going with not really. Hey, apple butter! Apple butter! I am BS trading. What? What's BS trading? What's up? Apple butter! How you doing?
Hi. Good morning.
Remember, the market respects no man, woman, or child, and that's why we need to beat it. Does it respect animals, though, Lucky? That's the question. I'm like NQ going up, down, and sideways at the same time. I love that. Debbie, that is amazing. Another loader? What's up? Wait, you're a woman and you're actually smart. Damn, girl. I'm trying to decide if I am complimented by that or completely offended by that. To be determined. Stick around and find out. I don't trade ICT though, so not sure if that'll work out for your style or not. True. Like I said, that's why I got a back test today. Trading is varied risk as opposed to binary system like an algorithm, which needs yes or no trigger. The one advantage we have to algo. Interesting, Solly. Okay, okay. So, Solly, do you take B setups? What is he saying that what I'm doing is BS trading, or himself? Or just trading is BS? If he's saying trading is BS, then clearly he ain't a trader. Anyways. Other than my trading, I'm doing fine. Oh my gosh, apple butter, I hear you. Oh my gosh, I feel you. Believe me. But it's okay, apple butter. Me and you, we've got this. We will get through this. We will survive. Hey, hey. I'm getting weird. Anyways. Close my eyes and clicked buy or sell. Made 600 watch. Forgive it all back now that I'm trying to analyze the price action. Robocop, did you actually do that? Did you actually close your eyes and click buy or sell? If that is the case, I think we're gonna need some videographic evidence next time. Just saying. Or break of structure trading. That's the spirit of thanks, apple butter. So what's been happening with you? I think now a lot of it's in my head. A lot of it is in my head, and it's a bit of a problem, but it is what it is. Robocop, that is amazing. Maybe I need to start doing that. Just in the moment be like, I'm gonna click this, and how long did you give it until you closed the trade? I'm gonna call it the Robo Jojo. Just flip a coin, you still 50-50 true. Oh, apple butter. Twinsies. Twinsies. I love it. Do you know, today I second guessed how many? 3 trades. Those 3 trades all would have been winners. So I didn't take those 3 trades. There was one trade where I was like, okay, I've second guessed all this script. We're taking this one. It's a good one. It's A+, da 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 da. I'm taking it. I took it. It was a loss. Do you know the pure and utter rage that coursed through my blood in that moment? It's okay though. That's why I then closed the charts. I went. I worked the ponies. I feel better now. Feel much better now. Damn, I was not a very pleasant human being this morning. Yeah, for those of you that watched this morning's stream, I do apologize because that was not a very pleasant person that you had to watch. Hey Lurk, what's up? How you doing? Victor, aren't you a bit older to be a gamer girl? Whom are you lying to? I have so many questions. In what world does this look like a game? Also, I am a gamer girl, so screw you. Not a hectic gamer girl, so I'll give you that one back, but still. Maybe depending on the play. I was good at minimizing risk, but forgot about maximizing profit. So when I get a banger, I slide the risk up 1%. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah. Why? What are they doing? You know, fool me once, shame. Fool me twice, shame on me. But you can't fool me again. And it did. It fooled me thrice times, which is why when it came around again, I was like, and then it went, finally, we got her. Okay, so there would have been partials. Okie dokie, so things are starting to form here. Marker perfectly rejected from my level. Noise. Let's see, I mean, oh. I was about to say that was a really good wick, but technically, wait, when it comes to these wicks, you kind of want to see it wick and then close in that direction. Interesting. Seriously, NQ, if you can pick a direction, just pick a direction. That would just be dandy. Back into first presented. Jordan, what's up? Most profitable for one trade? Was it 650? I think $650. See, I just don't trust this apple butter. Yeah. Damn. What the heck? It went and stomped all over the first presented, and now it's going. Sorry, I guess I'll start listening. Maybe. Oh, this was the 10 a.m. candle. Cool. Kind of broke below there, but not properly. Let's see. What? I was so happy. All the weirdos were gone. Why are the weirdos back? Why? Where did you guys come back from? Go away. Sure. We're having such peaceful streams without the weirdos here. Now the weirdos have come back. Leave. Apple butter is it? No, it's not you. Get a mod. Oh, I have plenty of mods. Believe me, I have a plethora of mods. That's why I have so many mods, baby. Sure, you should have seen in the beginning. Oh my gosh, stream when I just started streaming, the amount of like creeps that just hopped on was insane. Losing a lot of money makes them weird. I'm not a little, that is hilarious. I think I joined season 2. Sorry. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Actually, I think you all deserve this. Sure, that was hilarious. I joined season 2. That was brilliant. Debbie, no, I think you actually joined more like season... No, I think maybe season 2 is pretty accurate. I like that. I'm paying close attention to the 940, 945 5-minute candles. Very bearish signal. But those two wicks get closed well on the 5 minute. I'll switch to bias to longs until then shorts. Interesting. Back in season 1, used to drop the hammer on like 40 people a day. Yeah. Heyo, Muslim Lantern. What's up? How you doing? Apple butter. Yeah, absolute insanity. Just insanity. I'm busy watching all this chaos. Bob, yes you did, with regards to the last message you sent. Yes, that is correct. I was the first to knuckle up in the bird stream. I wanted to... Were you? That's interesting. Keeps retesting that level. I think that means it's going to reject solidly off of it. Like, this was a better rejection off of this level. This I probably would have wanted to sell in. Down to the next. Maybe it doesn't work out. Will be 10 times I'm leaving. I'm obligated to teach by any means necessary. You're down 130k. What happened? Probably. Damn. Did you originally say season 1? I forgot. Someone said season 1 the other day. I can't remember who it was. Was it Solly? Solly, was it you that said season 1? Because that was pretty funny. Teach my trading season 1. Oh, guys. I've been thinking about the merch thing. Right, I've been thinking about the merch thing. I got some, well, not really a mock-up. I got some ideas. I'll actually try post them on Discord for y'all to see. Hey Zarkoon, I'm South African, what's up? Or do you know I'm South African and that's why you're asking more in depth? Why I said it. Oh, that makes sense, Debbie. Do you want to see? So I just did like a mock-up, I guess, of hoodies. It looks so cool. I actually really want one now. Yeah, I cooked that one up yesterday. Because Solly is just so cool. Wow, okay, so I would have liked that and it would have come to destroy me. Here. Boop, boo doo doo doo. That sound gonna be stuck in my head. Try range filter 5-minute indicator. Cocoon, what Debbie said. Ah, okay. Oh my, yeah, no, 100% Bob. This is This is interesting price action. Is this just getting a bunch of liquidity? Who's trading right now? Debbie. Me and you both are here like, yeah. What? Oh, hey, Abraham. Abraham. Sorry. How's the funded account doing? I am this close to blowing it. If that answers your question. It's not going great, but it's okay, right? All part of the journey. Just gotta keep on keeping on. B2, what's up? You're trading this successfully? Let's maybe ask that question. Are you okay? Yeah, are you trading this successfully right now? Oh, that's right. There'll be another one. Oh, thanks, Labadaba. Oh, not Labadaba. Abraham. Sorry. I still have a runner to 453. Damn, Labadaba, you are nailing this trading stuff. Damn, I need to be as cool as you one day. Maybe one day when I'm big. All part of the journey. Thanks. B2. Hey, nice, B2. Yeah, me and Debbie are both confused, but that's okay. We're gonna just carry on. Does anyone know why superheroes wear capes? Because it's definitely not for safety. Lucky, do you actually know the answer, or are you just asking? Okay, wicking out again. Wiki. Oh, that was so cringe. No, it didn't break. Lord have mercy. I wanted to say you're already big, but that would hurt your feelings. I want that. Lucky big in what way? Like, it could be seen as a compliment or it could be seen as a solid insult. Depends on what you were thinking when you were thinking you're big. Like, were you thinking I'm big? Were you thinking I'm big? Were you thinking I'm big on YouTube? Were you thinking I'm a big girl trader? Were you thinking that you like big bucks? Oh my gosh, song idea for trading. I like big bucks and I cannot lie. Sorry. This channel's so big and old. Wow. This is really all the business. Oh, solid big head, big four eyes.
Emotional damage.
Like, I feel like I am cringy and I insult myself enough with the weird, dumb things I do. And here's just Solly just coming and going, let's make this work. The way you are. Oh my gosh. Oh. There, young one. Wow. See, I'm sorry. Great minds. We've got this. But yes, now we're gonna, it's not I like big butts and I cannot lie. It's now I like big bucks and I cannot lie. This is now the new trader song. The new Maya theme song. I like big bucks and I cannot lie. All you other traders can't deny. When a something walks in. Okay, I'm gonna make this song. Sorry, just try to distract everyone from the horror on it. Oh, that's valid. Am I from Cape Town? John, I'm actually not from Cape Town, but I am currently in KZN. Technically, I'm originally from Pretoria. I like Pretoria girls. I don't. They're not very nice people. I know I'm one of them, but anyways. I like to think I'm a nice person sometimes. Day dependent. Oh, you were genuinely serious about the hero question. Okay, does anyone know why superheroes wear capes? Because it's definitely not for safety. Isn't it just to look cool? Oh, I have one. Like, you could maybe argue, what if it's a specific cape that once you save someone, they can wrap it around? You know, like those shock blankies. When people are in shock, they need to stay warm. So people put the blankies on them. Oh, look at my first aid coming back. This feels like it's trying to flip close above the 544, and you're gonna close. Let's see. The stream just got weird. What do you mean just got? What do you mean? What do you mean it has been weird since day one? It has been weird. When a hedge fund manager walks in with a stack of cash. That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Use Sir Wix a lot. For the movies, there we go. Have you been up with any other prominent traders in KZN? I have not. John? No. Are there any prominent what do you mean by prominent trader? Let's maybe establish what you mean by that first. What is a prominent trader? Hey, Indy, am I buying or selling? I am hands off right now. I am not touching this with a 10-foot pole. Mikuabe, what do you think of the PA? I think it's lovely. I can't tell if you're being serious. Professional. Oh. First of all, thank you that you think I'm professional. I will take that as a compliment. But no. Are there any professional traders from KZN here? Make your photo frame smaller and keep the chart a little bigger so that you can see something and see what you are Oh man, my whole screen is my trade. What? What do you mean? Also, you might be on the wrong stream then. There's two streams. There's the horizontal and the vertical. The vertical, the chart's a little bit smaller. It was the best I could do. Sorry about that. The horizontal shows the full-on chart. If you want to go to the horizontal, go for it. It's definitely off. Batman uses the cloud too much.
Emotional damage.
Microwave here, sis. But I'm short from 6 of 8. I saw you were short from there. To be fair, it was, well, no, I didn't take it. It was a B setup. Maybe I should just start taking the B setups and just mitigating the risk. Gonna be some debate about that one. There's two streams. This one accommodates fun. Other stream just before you click on her profile and change it. Dude, why are you changing? You know what, Solly? I know you bully me, but I love that you got my back. That is true friendship. Nasty to each other, mean, pick on one another. But when push comes to shove, you're willing to fight. I like it. Maybe trade another eval first though, where you take all your B setups and see how you do before testing it on your funded. Well, but that's valid. Maybe I should get another, like my poor funded. How does that recover? But here we go. All these rejections. Finally. We might be going down. Going down, down, dee 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 dee. Lubba Dubba, did it hit your TV? Also, can I wait, I need to ask a very serious question. Serious question. Serious question. Please. I'm kind of curious about this. For a very weird reason, but it's fine. Ooh. But I know that's it's 453. Yay! TP hit! Whoop whoop! Everyone that just had a winner chicken dinner. Whoop whoop! Well done, guys. Morning, Fahrenheit. What's up? 407 will be your next TP. Damn. Okay. Okay. Indy, how long have I been trading? 11 months. It seems she has no idea about what. Where you find the audacity? Yes. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. That was so sassy. I apologize. I'm so sorry. I've had a really long day. People be testing me when I've been having a really long day. I'm so sorry. I'm not normally a sassy moo-moo. I'm being a bit of a sassy moo-moo today. I do apologize. Sorry, my bad. Okay, anyways, back to the charts. Here we go. No, sassy. I know, I'm so sorry. Just so you know, if you make hoodies, you might see some. TNT hoodie. Oh god. gosh, I know. Okay, I'll put myself in a timeout. I'm sorry. I didn't. Sorry for being sassy. Well, I'm a little bit sorry for being sassy. Maybe it was worth it, but it's okay. What does this look like on a 5-minute? Like the retracement. If this is just doing freaking bob to bob level, this is at such a yucky spot. That's better, but that's just gonna be way too big. This thing is just not gonna start retracing, is it? Probably not. This would be the better one, but it's a little bit more okay. Okay. Okay, never mind. No retracing gonna start happening here. That's fine. B2. You think I'm good at this? I appreciate that. You know what? That actually made me feel a lot better. These last 3 weeks have made me feel like I am the worst trader in the world, but I appreciate that. Thank you. But he's all the way interesting. Why ask what he should? Aww. Ink is still here. I'm asking out of curiosity because I can show you guys. You guys want to see? Chat GPT for the winsies. Just saying. Such cool ideas, and I was like, I love it. I love it so much. I'm watching it just tank off without me, so that's fun. Anyways. I'm sorry, how cool is that? Can you see? It says funded feels on it. Bunch of hoodies that says funded feels. It's black and white, cream and like dark green, black and like gold, and then this really nice like mint green and white. Anyways, sorry. I got distracted because I was messing around a little bit yesterday and I thought I would ask for your guys' opinions. I think hats are less expensive to produce. I know, but not a lot of people wear hats, to be fair. I never wear hats. I probably should because I'm in the sun a lot, but I never wear hats. I live in hoodies though. 100%. Hoodies are my go-to. Couldn't see it. I'm old. Sorry, Apple, but I'll pop it onto Discord. Bob. Valid point. Just maybe won't put TMT there. Just leave it at funded feels. Wow, learning is fun. Yeah. Hold on, you are investing in those things nowadays. No, I haven't done anything. Damn, what? Okay. Vink, I think that's your name. I'm gonna give you one last chance to calm down. Well, two things are gonna, well, one of two things are gonna happen. Either I'm gonna let the sass out on you. I'm trying really hard to control it, so please don't let the sass, please don't bring the sass out. Okay. Or I'm just gonna put you on timeout. So. I mean, you have a reason why you don't? Why don't what? Where's the 5% patch? Sorry, okay. So, you're really keen on, what about like a 5% patch on the shoulder? I've been trading for like 5 or 6 years. Really? And how long did it take you? Oh, thanks, Lava Daba. How long did it take you to be successful? Profitable. Let's ask that. But yeah, no, was it this time? It was, no. Yeah, this time last year, we're now March. Okay, no, this time last year, so I guess, no, but I hadn't started trading it. This time last year, I started learning about trading. This time last year, I started learning what candles were. Oh, thanks, Frank. How you doing, Frank? Let's run away. without me. Then, okay. That's nice. I don't think this Mamma Jam is gonna come back. It's just going bye-bye. Oh, wait, maybe it's gonna come back. Can I even trade this right now? I mean, I might be on. Let's see. Going back down to London low, though this might just take out London low first. Yep, that's just gonna hit for London low. Oh, but there's Asia low right below. 2. Yep, London low taken. This just keeps running away. Damn, who has a runner left? People holding on their demons. My art, you're holding in the sass. Thank you. There we go. Thank heavens. Done. Oh, cheers, Bartek. Enjoy. I apologize if I have not been saying your name correctly, by the way. 335 would be the next level for you. But why? I'd have to zoom out a little bit more. I'd have to check the higher time frames. Is there a specific level there? But retest a little bit higher. This could still be something to look into. Gets dangerous shorting after such a move down, I know. I'm done for goodness. 3 years of confusion, then 2 or 3 years profitable. Damn! So, Obito, what was the confusion in those 3 years, out of curiosity? Labrador, with my strat, what's your 1 to 2 R. No! I'm so sorry, John! My, when was the last time you gave someone good advice? I like to think I give people good advice every day. I like to think so. No? Do I not? Damn. Damn, Lucky. Comment although at 240. Yeah, I got that one marked out. November 25, 241, 50, standby. Do you think it's gonna go that far down? Oh my gosh, I don't even have the freaking levels marked that far down. We just tapped into 370 liquidity. Let's see if this is just gonna keep running away. Going bye-bye. Literally going bye-bye. Loose. Okay, is it loose nut off-road? 30 minutes, you lost 3k. What happened? Obito, yeah, I think that's the killer. Strategy hopping, or it sounds like mixing strategies. Which one did you then settle for? I'm pretty sure I've asked you this before. I apologize that I don't remember. Which is your strategy that you are now like, this is my go-to and it works for me amazing? 280 would be my final TP of the day. I just ran out of run and this got scared and took profit too early. Damn, Lobadaba, how much are you up today? I mean, yeah, but when it comes to trading, sure, but outside... Oh, Lucky! You think I talk to people outside? Are you crazy? Do you use 5 and 50-minute candle for high time frame? Yes. Yes, trade in process. Throw in good time, that's all recovery at the time. Oh, 30 contracts. 30? contracts? 30 contracts. I think I found a trading friend. Is it me? Am I a friend? Just ICT concepts only. Interesting. Like, by the rules, stick, like hardcore, stick with it. A lot of lag on things. Usually when it's like this, more sell pressure can be on the way. But that isn't how. Like seriously, how? This is getting a little excessive. Sure, the markets are just tanking. Okay. Okay. Is this gonna be the reversal? Oh, but not so much of an engulfing candle as I would like to have seen. Okay, so they would have tagged into entry just so quickly. What caused me to lose accounts? No, I'm so sorry. Daily candles Whopper open at 25 here. Markets equals roller coaster ride. Yeah, I hear that. Not everyone likes roller coasters, believe it or not. I don't know if you guys are into roller coasters. Aw, thanks, Gappa. Enjoy, enjoy. Hello, sweetie. Okay. Hello and goodbye. No copy trade my TBT accounts. Not a roller coaster guy. Especially not when it's in the markets. Let's just be real. That's not what I call fun. But anyways. What? The roller coaster thing, or this trade that now looks like it's working out? Oh goodness. Oh goodness. There's a little periwinkle over here. What's up? What's up? What's happening? We've still got a little bit of, well, we still have a decent amount of time left. That being said, this is so overextended to the sell side. This is insanely overextended to the sell side right now. Which advice are you talking about? I get a roller coaster like I need another hemorrhage. And just like that, we got ourselves another Bob quote. Bob, you are racking up these damn quotes. Oh my gosh. And some of them are so unhinged, I don't know if I can actually post them. If the 1 minute I can put in a higher low, then a higher high, we should retest the 503 level. Let's see what we get here. Potentially a higher low being formed. Potentially. Let's not jump our guns. Making money. Oh! Sure. We'll go with that. Come on, make an engulfing. Nope, that's not an engulfing. That being said, we have 30 seconds to go, but nope. This makes an engulfing. I might be keen on a buy, but it does not look like that's gonna happen. Come on, 20 seconds to go. Lucky was the bob of the day. So, Friday bob quotes. Have you not seen my Friday bob quotes? I'm disappointed, Lucky. Let's go check out my posts. Yeah, I've got them Friday bob quote posts. Nope, that's not what I wanted to see. Still not really what I wanted to see. Cool. Struggling to break below this level now. India, am I waiting for a reversal? Basically, waiting for confirmation that this is gonna now be a continuation higher. Or if we're just gonna keep dropping to the damn center of the earth. Hey, Leanne! What's up? How you doing? How's it going? How's it going? Hey, hey, hey! Okay, let's see how this closes. Close nicely. Close above. Close above. Close above. Okay. The doji's fine. Me. Decent engulfing down back into that level. Back up. Try not to rush this. Do not rush. Retest back up and above would be quite nice to see here. 1, 2, 3. Sugar honey iced tea, I'm hesitating. Okay, I took it. Mitigated slightly, but I took it. Let's see if this gets me in. Apple butter, no. I'd like a retest of 420 too long. Let's see. Hey Brandon, what's up? This is, well, let's see. Let's go. Good luck, she crazy out here. I like it though. Yeah. Well, I'm in. Not getting any hopes or dreams up, but I'm in. One, L2, sell 3. It is hands off. Whatever happens now happens now. I know you just did not take the trade because of what I said. No, I didn't. I liked it a lot. It's to do with what I backtested as well. I backtested that, whatchamacallits? Remember I mentioned the doji and the engulfing? It worked really well this morning. I didn't take the trade. I was forward testing it, but it worked really well. Yes, it is volatile. You are correct. And maybe this works, maybe it doesn't. but it's hands off regardless. Indeed, that's why I went break even after the sweep 1 minute high. Yep, reject off of that bob level. You go, cupcake. Oh! I nearly swore. I nearly swore. I nearly... The South Africans will know me F Modlies. Rashan, what's up? Okay. Okay. Whoop whoop. What have been told you? That was a win. Vink, I don't understand. What did you tell me? This was a winning trade. I'm now break even, but I'm in green. I'm happy days. Oh, the questions are Bob quotes. Quotes by Bob or stuff to do with the market? A bit of both. They are quotes that Bob has said about the market. Yay, Rashan, well done. Thanks, guys. I'm not even celebrating this right now because I'm just... Whatever. Oh, damn, I actually put this on 503. That's very funny. I didn't even plan for that to be out in 503. I just put it a little bit lower than the Bob level. But Bob level to Bob level, if not, it's just gonna take me out at break even. So that's fine. I don't know, Facey. He's a bit weird, but it's okay. That's okay. Oh, thank you. Guys, after this week, I don't know if I should just start crying or not, but I don't even think you guys would be surprised if I just started to cry. I think you would be like, about right. What was... English is not your forte. Lucky? Which is a problem because I'm English, right? But anyways. Okay, so this runner might be taken out. So, logic behind this. Sweet and simply. So, John, you think this is a rug pull? You think we're going lower? So close to partial. This week it's only Tuesday. I know, Brandon! I know! That is the problem! It's only Tuesday, and this week has been so insane. I can't even actually begin to... okay. Out there at break even, but that's okay. Sorry, y'all missed that. Okay. But that's okay. Because we still got... back into 4.9. Yay! Hey! We're a little bit higher than we ended off yesterday. By $4. Okay, let's update the balance. 4.9. 124. 0.90. Up. Okay, so the logic behind the trade, sweet and simply, it actually was an A+ setup, and I have been, when I did backtesting, I noticed something. Okay, so A+ trade because I got shelf, fair value gap, order block. They were 3, and technically the Bob level. Technically the Bob level. Okay, either way, 3. And while backtesting, I realized when it comes to longs, not shorts, I haven't noticed it work out quite the same as with shorts, that if there is a bullish doji followed by a bullish engulfing, it retests the fair value gap quite nicely and then continues to the buy side. It did it earlier. It wasn't a continuation to the buy side, but it rejected nicely for my trade. Rejected nicely. Sometimes it just keeps continuing, which is awesome. But anyways, yeah, so that was that logic behind that. And I mean, nice wick in and wick out, literally. So awesome sauce. Not gonna complain about that. What I did want to see, I haven't been taking much note of it though. Like I said, the bullish doji followed by bullish engulfing, the rejection off of that level is like chef's kiss. It is not the same with a bearish doji, that was English, and a bearish engulfing. I specifically try to take note of those. They did not respect as much as the other. So I've been watching to see if it is a bullish doji and a bearish engulfing. Does it work similar? Like I said, I saw it with the bulls, not so much the bears. Tried to sneak in, looks like we didn't. Gosh. Oh, flip. Retest, I would be out. Get us. Where's the shelf? There. That shelf. I call those shelves. No, I'm so sorry. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, at least the one was a positive, right? Bearish or bullish? Which one? Overseas madman, what's up? Interesting. I know apple butter. Like I said, it's what I'm still forward testing it a little bit. I got a good confirmation earlier, during the London where I saw it, and I was like, oh, interesting. Let's see, and it worked really well. I mean, theoretically, even here. And obviously, this is on the 1 minute. I'm specifically saying the 1 minute. I haven't seen if it works the same on the higher time frames, but specifically the 1 minute. That bullish doji followed by bullish engulfing seemed to work really well. Do people actually buy your course, my courses? I don't have courses. Overseas madman. Goodness gracious, why are so many sassy people? Please, guys, I'm trying so hard to not be sassy. I am trying so hard. Y'all are testing me today. Can I just say, wow. You guys had to pick the one day that my tolerance is nearly at 0 to come in and be sassy. Good grief. Good grief. Anyways. Third trade, minus 14k, fourth plus... Sean, goodness gracious, how many contracts do you trade with? It's time to get to see the lunar eclipse. Oh, nice. There we go. My dog just burped. That was such a big burp. Say sorry. Say sorry. Wow. You trade a live account. Dylan, what, day 5 have asked me to do a backflip, is that it? Lucky, did you see the shelf? Goodness, and you're risking all of this? That sounds like a lot. Is it not a lot? That sounds like a lot. See, he doesn't respect this so much. And this, I mean, I respect... There just wasn't a... I don't like to say pattern, but there wasn't a pattern with it. Like there was a pattern with the bulbul. The bulbul. You know there's a bird named a bulbul? 3D printing loot, what's up? How am I this morning? I'm okay. Like I said, people be testing. Markets be testing. But I'm okay. Had a whoop whoop, so that's something. We'll take them whoop de whoops. Let me post this. So for everyone wondering, I do post every single one of my trades in my Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, you guys are more than welcome to. It is... Goodness gracious. I was saying goodness gracious to all the new people in the Discord. It is in the description below. You guys are more than welcome to check it out. Please, if you do join the Discord, please just be aware that there are people scamming, pretending to be me. So please just be aware, I will never sound very formal. If I say hi, I'm greeting you like a friend. I'm like, yo, what's up? Maybe not those exact words, but you know. I won't come in with a message that looks like it's been copy-pasted. Anyways, and if you guys are still not sure if it's me, rather ask for a one-on-one quick 2-minute call where I can even like pop the video on and you can be like, okay, it's Maya. What needing to happen to confirm an A setup for push higher? I don't know if it's gonna happen though. No way, what the? I passed the 100k account and just damn 3D printing loot. Look at you go. I gotta go. Cheers, Bob. Enjoy. I thought it would be a longer one because it looked like an impulse and a small correction. Stars in heavy volatility, same as Doji in Scalping. What? What are Doji morning evening stars? What? Debbie? Okay, you officially lost me. What? There's not more here. Greek Paulie, you just lost your house because of the market. No. Okay, I stopped myself. Okay, I stopped myself. I was going to be sassy and be like, you can't blame the market for that. That's just bad discipline. But I stopped myself. Okay? I'm trying to get the sass under control because good grief. What? Why? Okay. Okay, point is, guys, we had a win. That's something. Now we just gotta continue. Now onto the next, onto the next, right? Do I know much about the S&P? I do. Well, yeah, I wouldn't say much, but I mean, I got it open right here. And it works together with NQ, which is what I trade. Morningstar and evening star patterns after Doge. Sorry, Debbie, I'm pulling a face because I've never heard of Morningstar and evening star patterns. What are those? May sass be with you. Thank you. The Bobster is gone. My quick share the source on the levels. No, Robocop, he comes back and watches. He'll know. Give your thought process on Boro Bobo, got it. I got mine in Super and then invest in S&P. I hope it's safe. ICT, SMC, ICT, or SMC, both. I use confluences from both. 3 candles making 1 pattern. Debbie, can you send me a screenshot on Discord? Sorry, I'm gonna copy paste this. I've never heard of that. That is so interesting. See guys, every day you learn something new on these damn charts. I love it. But nope, I put that under the Bob quotes. That's not where that's supposed to go. There we go. Morning star and evening star patterns from Doji candle. Like I said, I've never heard of that. It's so interesting. Happy vibes, positive vibes, winning vibes. Oh, hello, I love that. Indy, how many trades do I take a day? It depends on the day. Sweet and simply, it really depends on the day. I mean, there's been some days where I can take like 4 to 5 trades. There's been days where I take no trades. It really depends on the day and the price action that presents itself. Sorry, I don't have like exact. I do have rules with regards to losses though. I'm only allowed 3 losses a day and then call it. Yeah, both. Bearish from here. Get a bait on this time. Interesting. Would this have taken me out of my long? Oh, no. Let's quickly see here. Where did I have my long setup from here? Huh. Oh, I'd still be in this long trade. I mean short trade. Oh, not long trade. Goodness gracious. I'd still be in the short trade. Interesting. Okay. No. Thanks, Shan. I use 2 or 3 minute shots to reduce some of the noise. Oh! Why? Sometimes the noise, I don't want to say helps me. Helps me sounds weird, but... that's not where I would like an entrance, so that's not nice. I'm funded. Hey! TPP Cancer! What's up? How you doing? How's the YouTube's channel going for you? Oh wait, this is not which is your trading channel again? That would have KO'd me in one single candle. Here we go. Okay. Okay, let's see how this closes. But again, we're gonna see bullish doji, bullish and gold. No, it has to close nicely. That's not closing nicely. Well, okay, it has 12 seconds to go. Let's see. Nothing like a little background noise to quieten the demons. No, not yet. Not yet. No, okay, that's not what I want. That's not a proper engulfing candle. That wick is too big. Okay. So that doesn't work so well. Do we think this is just gonna go sideways a little bit? Alright, let's see. Ooh! Where did your screenshot go? It was there. It disappeared. Okay. Like I said, not quite what I was looking for, but some reason I guess it's working. Okay, this has... Let's say this is 5 minutes. Let's give this bad boy 5 minutes. What do you guys think? I'm gonna give this 5 minutes to now decide if we're gonna be going in a different direction apart from sideways. Let's see. If we do go a different direction apart from sideways, that would be grand. Absolutely grand. Then I might be able to get one last trade in today. I'm gonna scale it down solidly though. If I do. If a good trade appears. Presents itself. There we go. To be determined though. Let's get back here. Let's see. Okay, sure, what? So here was this one here. Oh, so this actually would have also worked out. Like I said, bullish. I kind of need to determine. Let's see. A whiff. Curiosity is getting the best of me. I mean, Tap. Let's keep watching the time. Let's see how this goes. Think? Okay, sure, what? A wave. The French bark. Wave. Have you seen that? Please say you've seen that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I am indeed going to feel very, very old. Thank you, Debbie. Yeah, okay, cool. Got it. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna check that out. Thanks, Debbie. Struggling to break. We want to see a good rejection off of here. This might start to be the shift that we want. I mean, here's a solid higher low has been made. Thank you. So you know it. Alex, they admitted that ICT is a scam. Why do you still do? Solly, go get him. Where's OTT? Go get him. Lucky, don't know what you're talking about. Talking about what? Oh, wow. Shannon, not gonna trade for a few days now, need a mental break. That's not a bad idea, though. Sounds like you've been going at it, so to take a little break here and there is never a bad idea. Solly, did you see that comment? Are you not gonna go get him? I'm shooketh. I'm shooketh. Solly, why are you not defending your father? 3D printing, dude. All I use is ICT and iPass accounts left and right. There's certain hacks I've learned. I'll message you then. Thanks, Debbie. Careful how you talk about my father. There we go. Man, I was waiting. I was waiting for that. I was like, oh, this is, oh, danger, oh, danger, oh, danger. That being said, you're allowed your opinion. Just don't shove your opinion down people's throats. Everyone is allowed to use the strategy that they are comfortable with. What? I'm wrong. Sully always defends his father. Can I help you? Okay. Like I said, I am a very strong believer that everyone has their own trading style, strategy, and it, you know, that's awesome. If you believe in one thing and it works for you, awesome. That is the only thing that matters, right? But you know, if you don't believe in something, that's fine. That's your opinion, and that's okay. Gosh, guys, I promise I'm nice. Wow, I can actually feel how sassy I'm being today. I'm so sorry. I will be better tomorrow. I'll be less sassy. I'm so sorry. Currently he's busy with work, so he can't respond. Okay. Okay, broken above. Okay, well, I gave it 3 minutes. Let's see. Let's see. This might start to be the break. If this just goes back into range, I mean, womp womp. But let's see. See, like that one is not bullish. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could see what he's doing right now. I heard that a broken clock is correct at least 2 times out of the day. That is true, Lucky. Asha, what's up? Let me tell you what's the max loss limit in your fund account. Like, daily or just max loss limit? Hey, Hammer, what's up? Full on, get the fire. Okay. Cool. Cool. Here we go. Oh, I didn't get tricked into the damn low again. Yeah. So max I'm allowed to go down to 300 and something. So it does. It follows my growth. Holy guacamole. Okay. All right then. Okie dokie. So gold keeps on selling without my permission. The max is 3k, not that bad. Yeah. No, 2k. Shen, 2k. So with 50, I'm allowed to go down to 48. Times change, be the change. Yeah, 100%. No, this is insane. It feels like the bulls have been waiting for the opportunity and now they're like, let's go! Is it just gonna tap back into VWAP though? Are we now gonna start going higher? Are we now gonna start headed back towards midnight opening? That's when the caffeine kicks in. I don't know what to do with so much gold. Yeah, bounce off VWAP. Womp womp. It didn't come and mitigate this. Ew. Okay. A B2? Whoop whoop, that is amazing! Back into first presented, yep, 100%. That went solidly just straight back up. Whoop whoop to anyone that had a winner off of this. Winner winner chicken dinner. That's a country. Going back to the gap. Okay. Okay. Let's check the 5-minute quickly. Yeah, no, the full range is... It's not gonna go that far back down. Solidly straight back into the first presented though. Decent rejection back off it. What did it look like on the 1 minute again? There we go. Back into first presented, back into VWAP. I didn't, Bob! I was actually thinking about it this morning. Also, I thought you were gone. I was actually literally thinking about it this morning and I was like, oh, I should listen to it. And then I got busy. I just have to keep an eye on the time. It's nearly visiting hours at the hospital. My friend's still in hospital and apparently it's been a very rough day. Can't give too many details, but apparently it's been a very rough day, so I should probably go and visit, be a good person. Make up for all my sassiness today. Hey Hammer, what time do I stop? To be fair, I'm kind of surprised this move happened now. Normally this is where the market kind of slows down. But now it's just going yeet. Yes, I just said yeet. Like an old lady. Normally around this time, between 1/4 and 6:30 is when I normally end. Remove the market chart. What do you mean? Do you think this is going back up to London High? If it is, that's insane. Thank you saying no more trade feeder. No, honestly, it's just going Baha because you're an old lady.
Emotional damage.
Why was that necessary? Do you think it's going to continue to go up? Indie... I want to say possibly yes. I want to say potentially yes. I could be wrong though, but I want to say potentially yes. This is going to continue to the buy side now. Hey Harrison, how you doing? No, that's enough for Mountain Peak. No, why, Solly? That was deep. No, I'm sorry. Okay, seriously, Solly, is your mom okay? Is your mom okay? I asked you this morning, you didn't respond. Is she okay? I genuinely a little bit concerned. Are you good? Is your mom good? Solly has priorities. I mean, to be fair, I'm here trading instead of going to visit, so you know, priorities. This is so annoying. Of course it's full TP. No. Okay, OTT, seriously. In these conditions, please check when it comes to the break even. Is it worth it? Would you have been stopped out here? Or were you still safe? What did Solly say? No, my stop loss was by that low. Oh, okay. Damn. Sugar honey iced tea then. Also, why couldn't it have just gone up to that level first before just coming back? I think it's just run away from me. In these conditions, it's a double-edged sword. No, that's true. OTT, that's true. And these conditions are all out of whack. Like, seriously. Exactly, OTT. That's just what I'm also at right now. On to the next. Moving on. We continue. This was a break-even day for me, so that's something. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to... I think you should use Fair Value Add plus Order Block. What do you mean? What do you mean, Rashan? You think it's gonna keep going to 24660? And full... Oh, okay, you think it's gonna take out the tippy top there? Hey, Hamid. Hamid, what's up? Mop TV, what am I trading right now? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I think she'll be... Solly, that's terrifying. Are you okay? Are you okay? Greetings. What's up? How's Nigeria treating you? Greetings back from South Africa. Live to trade another day. Yeah, that's basically how it feels right now. Like that, no. Doesn't respect so much. This is just... Okay. I'll give this 2 more minutes. Let's see what we get. I know I keep saying that, but to be fair, I gave it a few minutes earlier and it actually started to go wee very quickly. Harrison, go long. Are we playing football? Why is my spread all messed up? Anyways. It's VWAP, trade in process. And what pair is this? This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? So not a pair. Pair of besties. That's what it is. I think that's go. No, I swear there's go long. You're not break even today. Let's go. I am break even today. I think. Yeah, I'm basically break even today. Let them sell so you can buy lower. 3D printing loot. Oh my gosh.
That's what she said.
That was good. That was good. It wasn't on the block. Beautiful long, take it. Ah, you funny. Anyways. This one? Is that what you're talking about? Or are you talking about this on the 5 minute? Let's actually see on the 5 minute how. The 5 minute was higher up. Yeah. Wasn't the best order block. The market has been breaking me into even pieces. Ah, you have even pieces? Oh, aren't you just lucky? Damn. It feels like it's broken me up. It looked at the pieces and it went, do you know what this needs? And it just bought a sledgehammer and went ba 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 ba. That's how it feels right now. I mean, this fib is not nice for me. Oh, thank heavens, it's not just me. You'll be able to tell if I'm not okay because I won't be being mean to you. That's true. You would actually be so nice to me and I would be terrified. I would be terrified. I won't know what to do. I know, so I will freak out. I won't even be able to like call you and be like, what's wrong? What happened? Oh, it's not quite what I want to see. I nearly got excited, but it's the wrong doji. Oh, Vank, where you at in Dragon Ball? Harrison, where you at? There you are. Why are you sorry, John? Solly will eat. Shannon, don't say that. That's mean. That's so mean. I said that to Solly once, and it. You know, I think I'm still getting karma from saying that. To be fair, that's actually probably what happened. I was mean to Solly that one time, and karma is still getting me back. Be nice to Solly. I'm run this too. I trade spy 5% of the time and use S&P for. Ooh. You hit the TP in my heart. Allison, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. Darling, can I have a free hoodie? No. I don't even have hoodies going yet. Oh, I forgot that I still had this up. Okay, so hoodies are the winners. Interesting. To be fair, I forgot that I actually had these up still. Maybe. That's interesting. Hats won on the other one. Okay, but hoodies are the obvious winner chicken dinners. John, I would take the win and be done with it today, probably. I'm liking this family already. I mean, yeah, no, we mean, yeah. Cheers, Harrison, enjoy. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa, what the? What's up, people? I am South African. How goes it? How goes it? Got a get one and get one free situation. How about a pay double the price for one and get one free situation? Come on, that was funny. Brookie, you know, last time I told you I was I'm gonna get funded challenge soon, and I got one yesterday and I made 1%, and today I made 1% after losing. Oh, that's amazing, Brookie Dokey, well done. Whoop whoop. That is awesome. She doesn't mingle. Fix a mom. Hey, well, I did end in the green. I think like $4, but we will, green is green. Green is green. I'm gonna go with green is green. Get 2 for 1, exactly. How about get one and get one free? Let's see. I'll think about it. Green is green, exactly. I'm sorry, didn't I? I'm so sorry. Okay, but to be fair, I'm gonna call it. I gotta get ready to go to Le Hospital. But okay, this is just for you, Rashawn. Just for you. Whoop whoop. For Rashawn was winning trades. Also, whoop whoop to anyone else that did have a winning trade. And to anyone that had a red day, do not worry. I've been having a damn red week. Red month. Ah, it's Tuesday. It's only Tuesday. Okay. Feb was awful. So let's see if we can still turn it around. It's only Tuesday. No more negativity. We've got this. Here we go. But whoop whoop. Yes. Whoop whoop. There we go. Whoop whoop to anyone that had a green day. I hope it's amazing. Anyone still trading, please trade safe in this. Yeah, everyone else stay safe. I think it's a bit weird at the moment, but that's okay. I love you guys madly. Thank you for the support. Sorry for being a little bit sassy today. Yeah, I'm sorry. You guys know I'm not normally sassy, so I do apologize for being a little bit extra today. My bad. I'm so sorry. But I love you guys madly. I will then see you tomorrow. London and New York session. We've got this. Go have a night. Go touch grass. Go take a bit of a breather. And I will see you back here tomorrow. You guys are amazing. I love you. Thank you for the support. Yes, don't forget, if you are new, there is Discord. If you want to join, go for it. Be aware of scammers, though. Putting it out there. If you guys do use any of the props and if you want a discount, you can use my code. That's about it. Okay, and lastly, don't forget to press the like button. Okay, I'm going now.